Mr. Thomas Scheffer.
Hello.
Good to see you.
Hello.
Yeah. So, Thomas, if we look at the fiercely competitive mid-size SUV market, how does this specific model tackle this high-volume segment while making the new innovations accessible to a broader public?
Yeah, the T6 is the first model of our ID Aura series from FAW-Volkswagen. And it's a very important model for the brand as it is very close to the heart of Volkswagen, making innovation accessible for everyone. And the ID Aura T6 is a full electric mid-size SUV, which is a huge segment here in China. And that is precisely reflected in its design and in its features. It follows our new China design DNA, natural upright lines and a practical body shape with generous space for the entire family. And on the intelligence side, the model is marking the next milestone for the Volkswagen in China. It's the first SUV to be equipped with our China Electronic Architecture, the CEA. And it will be our first electric model to offer LiDAR-based Level 2 advanced driving assistance developed by Horizon, our joint venture of CARIAD China and Horizon Robotics. And I cannot wait to see and drive this one here on the road.
Yeah, beautiful. We just saw the new ID Era 9X, ID UNIX 08 on stage, and now it's the ID Aura T6. So how does this diverse portfolio fit into the broad joint venture roadmap and the overall scale of Volkswagen's NEV journey?
Now, the ID Aura T6 completes the first wave of our product offensive alongside the ID Era 9X and the ID UNIX 08. These three models are from three joint ventures, different characters, one Volkswagen. The Volkswagen brand in China is going all in with new products and new technologies. And these three models showcase how we are going to serve customer needs excuse me, with our diverse portfolio in China. And they're only the start of our biggest product offensive here in China. We are launching 13 new NEV models this year and more than 30 new NEV models by 2029 across all model families of ID Aura, ID Era, and ID UNIX. And to reflect the dynamics of the Chinese market, we are clearly committed to electrification with flexible powertrains spanning from battery electric to plug-in hybrid and range extender vehicles. We combine German engineering with local innovation, and the result is 100% true Volkswagen at China speed.